I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we adding some important news.
As per ISPR, Army Rocket Force Command conducted a successful training launch of indigenously developed Fateh-2 missile system, equipped with advanced avionics and state-of-the-art navigational aids. The training launch was aimed at training of troops, validating various technical parameters, and performance evaluation of different subsystems incorporated for improved accuracy and enhanced survivability. The launch was witnessed by senior officers from Strategic Plans Division, Army Rocket Force Command, and Pakistan Army, along with scientists and engineers of strategic organizations. The forum commended successful training fire of indigenously developed missile of Fateh series. President, Prime Minister of Pakistan, Chief of Defense Forces and Services Chiefs appreciated the technical prowess, dedication, and commitment of all those who contributed towards the successful training fire of the missile.
For updates, connect with Saiba News HD.